Today I'm going to show you how to pin punch at your home. All you'll need is a washcloth. This will act as the pin punching pad. At school we use some thick felt, but at home a washcloth will do. I've given each child a cork. This is where we keep the pin puncher just so that it doesn't get lost or poke anybody, and then a tack. This will work as our pin puncher. You'll also need whatever shape your child is going to punch out. So this is the continent of Oceania, or Australia. So the pin puncher comes out of the tack, and then you poke the holes as close as you can together along the line. So when you flip it over, you can see that it's starting to be perforated. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish. If the holes are too far apart, then when you try to punch it out, there's a higher chance that it's going to rip. Almost there. This is a great hand strengthening work for your child, which is why we like to do it in the classroom. It also builds concentration. All right, let's see if I can pop this out now. Okay, so once your child has poked holes all the way around whatever shape they're pin punching, sometimes they can get it out themselves, but a lot of times they're gonna want an adult's help, which is okay. And now, I have my own piece of Oceania. And sometimes kids like to save the borders to use for art projects. When you're done, make sure you put the pin puncher back in the cork for safety. Have fun.